So we had a couple things come in yesterday. So we're going to look at my favorite system so far right now is the Coleco Atom. So this came in. It's a DOS system disk. It came all the way from Germany. I believe this came. The only way I could find it, because I have a disk drive that I haven't tested yet that I bought for my Coleco Atom. I have a couple of them. So I got a disk drive here, floppy. Later on, we're going to test that. And let's find out this even. I don't even know if this works yet or not. We don't know. Alright, but before that, I've been working on a little bit of a live stream thing. Not many views, but I've been running it for the last few days. So, we learned all about how to do a live stream using a computer, 4K converter, OBS, and a security system. Upgraded a little bit. So what we're going to do is we're going to take out 4K, the computer system, and OBS. So it'll be a lot less energy used. And we're going to replace it with one of these. This is a cheap one I got. I've never had one before. I didn't even know they were available. That's how you learn. It's just from doing something different. So let's take a look at this for a minute. So exactly what I wanted. So this is an HDMI encoder. So what does that do? My signal that comes out of my security camera system, which is a Defender I'm using to give me a picture in a picture. I got my little buddy. So the signal comes out of that, and then it goes to this. Hopefully it'll work. Goes into this. You have to use Ethernet. I'm not sure what that's. Looks like USB. And I guess it looks like you might be able to use audio video too. So this would replace. This is a really cheap one compared to the real expensive ones, but I can't start out with expensive ones. I don't have the money for it. We can start with a cheap one though. I gotta learn how to set it up. So that's what we're gonna do later on. So I don't think this has been used, I'm not really sure. We have to figure out how to set it up because I believe, I don't see a manual. That would have been pretty cool, but no. So we'll have to figure out. Oh, there we go. Online manual. Let's just look at this for a second. So this is another USB. Would this be... I'm not sure what that's for. So I'm going to run my security signal from here, and then it's going to Ethernet right out to YouTube. Here. So what I bypass again is the way I have it now. Let's go back and look at this. If I can get you out without shutting you off, probably not. But we'll try it. Yeah, get you out for a second. Alright, let's go look at what I have set up. So that's what's the next phase, which would be a lot less energy, right? This would just be what? This is 12 volts. Now it's only 9 volts. So just run 9 volt would replace. Let's go over here. The kid's got taste. So my 9 volt would replace this i9 computer.
That's a power move. Hiring America's largest injury law firm for your injury. That's also a power move.
First I was running an HB Mini that was overheating because OBS was taking up 59 or so % of the CPU. So we're going to get rid of the computer, which is an energy mongrel, right? It's running i9, and we're going to get rid of 4K over here. But we're still going to have the security system. So right now, I've been running for 3 or 4 days now with this computer. It worked much better. It was only giving me the CPU used on this one. So this is OBS here. So that's the scene I've been running. Picture in a picture, Nothing great, but just something fun to learn about. Been streaming for about 3 or 4 days now. See the CPU over here is only at 7%. So all this I'm gonna get rid of. This OBS in the computer to save a lot of energy. Plus it's like super hot. Although this doesn't run too hot though. My little mini was running like a mad thing. And then so the signal will come out of here, USB. Instead of going into this, it's just going to go right into that little box. And then Ethernet right out. I moved my coax cable modem right there. And right now, I have... Eventually someday I'll get a better camera system, but we're just having fun with it for now. So this is how it looks. My little buddies are over there. I can do a picture in a picture. I kind of block that front area right there. A lot of times he's sitting over there in the front now. And then my birds, little bird watching, pretty cool. So that's what we're doing. That's the next phase of this. And then at some point we'll look for, so this camera system is called a Defender. It's an older camera system. It only has 4 cameras, but I only want 2. Technically I got 2 other animals I could probably run, but not now. And then it comes out like that. And then on OBS, like I said, so this is through the security system right there. You're getting that black and white look because he's pretty dark in there. And then you're getting the outside color, which is, I put a better camera, but it still comes out. But you can see the birds. Can't see them in detail, but. So then that comes from the security camera and goes to the computer. Well, first through the 4KS, then the computer, which has a USB. The 4KS has a USB. Brings it to the computer. The computer then is on Windows 11, and that's running OBS. I had to learn all this. And like I said, so that's how it comes on. And then from here, the stream is set up for YouTube through OBS. But we're going to take those things out of there, which is going to be pretty cool. And we're going to go back to the other thing. Well, that's the goal anyway. I don't know how to set it up yet, though. I think you have to do it in your browser or something. We'll figure that out after. So that's where we're at. That's the system I've come up with. I've been running it 3 or 4 days now. I don't have many views, but we do it for fun. And then I have my little buddy's cameras over here. He's been hanging out. So it's hard to really get a camera in there. I put it over there. Just enough to see him a little bit. But you can't really see him when he's right over here. You can only see him when he's way over there. So that's where this little camera is. And the other camera's outside. So that's where my buddy is. At nighttime he's usually sleeping in there. So let's go back to this again. So that's the system I came up with using an old security system I had around. We modified with a newer camera for outside. And that's an older security camera for my little buddy there. And then we'll get the manual and we'll figure out how to set this up. And then this is going to be my replacement. So what an energy difference, right? This is going to run it 24/7 for only 9 volts compared to all that other voltage that I'm using right now. And the heat will be a lot cooler. So we'll find out what happens. So that's where I'm at this for now. And we're also going to do some Coleco Atom later too, at some point.